Guys, so I'm here now in Yonko Animal Roaster Hotel, and it's my checkout day, and I'm waiting for the receptionist to call me right now, and I'm going to wait for them because they are checking my room. So I need to transfer to some of the apartment. So I will wait the people who will assist me also. And welcome to Macau. See you, and let's see for the new journey of my life here in this country. Bye. I'll show you the lobby.